Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. If you're interested in the Edge 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. And you'll also find our new robot vacuum comparison tool, so be sure to check those links. So, we're in the Roborock app, we're selecting our Edge 2 device, and we already have our map created, so let's go to our map settings. Top right hand corner, the middle icon is your map settings icon. And from here up at the very top, we have 3 dots. We can back up, restore, or manage our maps. We'll come back to that manage maps here in just a minute. Below that, we have our current map, and we can rotate it 90 degrees. We can choose what we want displayed or not displayed on the map. So really just up to you and your own personal preference, and if you'd rather have 2D or 3D viewing. Then we go back into the app, and below that, we have multiple icons here. The first one's divide, so we can divide a room. So in this case, I do want to divide this one. With how this map, let's just go ahead and divide it right down here. Just like so. So we can divide that, and now we'll have another room in our map. You can also merge stuff together, so if you'd rather combine rooms, depending on how everything turned out, you can hit combine. And then here you just select 2 rooms, right? So we can combine those together and hit merge. Then we can remove. So if there's an area you don't want anymore, you could remove that from your map, which is pretty cool. So you could just go to that area, boom, and then remove. We can rename rooms. We can add no-go zones. So this walks us through how those work. You can add invisible walls. And then here's your no-go zones. So that's how you can do that right there. You can learn more up at the top too. With that question mark icon brings back up what we saw earlier. And then you can have that hit that little eye icon, and that's going to display or not display your no-go zones. Then we have our threshold options. So we can identify thresholds on our map, right? You can rotate them, drag and drop, and put those as you see fit. Then we have floor type, so we can select a room, and you can choose the floor type there. Carpet settings, so we can go ahead, we can add basically a round rug or rectangular carpet. Then we have furniture. If you want to add furniture, you can build out your whole house there. Curtains, they have a curtain setting. So up against a wall, window, if you have some curtains, you can position those. If you have any floor length curtains. And then we have under furniture, if there's an area that you want it to go under, right, you can specify that in the map, which is pretty cool. So you have that there too. And now back to what we talked about earlier, top right-hand corner, let's hit those 3 dots. And then let's go to the very bottom, manage maps. Once we're on this page, we can choose to save or not save our maps. We can adjust our home layout from single to multi-story, depending on if you have an upstairs or downstairs. If you do have multi-level, how do you want it to recognize the different map and floor that you're on? Do you want it to do it automatically, or would you rather manually select it every time? I always leave that on smart. Here's our current map. We can edit it or delete it. And then down at the bottom, we can create a new map right here that walks you through the initial map making prompts. Hit the blue button, and then it's going to start making that map in your basement or upstairs. You get the idea. So overall, there are a lot of map settings here. And if you don't want to use that map icon, top right-hand corner, you can hit the settings gear icon, and you can go down to manage maps, and you can find all that information again, and then you can hit edit map, and there's all the icons with all the different settings that you can configure.